All right, Nathan, what did we do this weekend?
Well, we went to MotorEx.
We had a stand.
We had a stand there. We had 4 cars there.
Yeah.
And Burson gave us some awesome giveaway.
Yeah. If you didn't watch last week's episode where we spoke about it, yes, we did actually go to MotorEx and we were fortunate enough to bring 4 of our cars along.
Yes.
4 of our builds. I've never been to MotorEx. Nathan's been to MotorEx a couple of times now, but it blew my mind. It was way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So it was pretty awesome. It was an awesome weekend and it looked a little like this. So this is our MotorEx stand. This is what we set up. It's a little bit ad hoc, but we sort of made it work. We have the Fairlane here, we have the LSQ here for its final goodbye. We have the VK as well too, and we have my HQ over in the corner there. And back here, we have a little bit of a stand that I made on the Thursday afternoon. The paint was still drying on it when I brought it here on Friday setting up. But it's worked really well. We've got a couple of TVs going with a couple of episodes rolling through. We have a bunch of merch that we've been giving away from all our sponsors and suppliers today, all yesterday. We obviously need to refill because it pretty much ran out instantly yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah.
Like, everyone's just coming by and grabbing it all, which is awesome. That's what it's here for. So this is the calm before the storm at the moment.
And it's going to be crazy today. I actually want to walk around at the stands and actually like look at the stands of what they have. We haven't even looked yet.
We haven't had a chance. We were that busy, that flat out yesterday, just talking to people, and
yeah,
you can see just how massive this place is. And in about an hour's time, this will be packed.
Yeah,
absolutely packed. So this is the Racework stand. They have an incredible amount of cars here, actually. By far, my favorite is the Cruiser. That Cruiser is incredible. And these 2 little mini things are next level. They are so cool. We got a chance to sit in them yesterday.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, that was really cool. Well, it is day 2 of MotorEx today.
I thought we were counting it as day 1.
Well, the reason why we're introducing this video on day 2 and not day 1 is because yesterday we got here, everyone got here so quickly and the stand just became full. We did next to no filming yesterday because all we did was pretty much hang out here and talk to all you guys at home or anybody walking by and having a great old time having a chat all day long. So we filmed pretty much nothing yesterday. We just walked around and enjoyed the event for ourselves. Today we thought we should probably film something so we can show you guys at home. This place is massive. I never realized just how big the MotorEx event really is. When you've done one building and then you realize there's another building full of incredible quality cars all over the place, it just doesn't end. They're everywhere. You really do need 2 days to walk through this place to really get the most of it. We were talking about that yesterday, Nathan and I. You can walk through this all day long and then find more buildings and more buildings and more cars and more cars and more things to see. It just doesn't end. I've lost my voice from talking yesterday, so I'm struggling a little bit today, but we should be right. We'll see how we go.
It's amazing just to show off the quality of products that are out there, the quality of cars that are getting built. Like, we're next to some incredible cars.
Well, the sun's coming out. We've got a little bit of quiet time now. We're gonna go for a walk and check a few things out. It's time to check out the trade stands and go through all the beautiful little bits of machinery and tooling and all kinds of tool goodness.
And turbos.
And turbos.
It's the biggest thing.
We need to go and look at the Garrett stall.
How small is it?
It's tiny.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Holy shit, I'm not going to be able to get out. This is sick.
How cool is it? That's great.
I'm not going to be gracious getting out.
Yeah, 6-speed sequential.
That's awesome.
The motorbike motor.
So can we build a mini Fairlane?
2 like fully grown blokes will fit in that.
Oh. A bit more gracious than me.
Only a little. Oh, this will be so much fun.
How good is it?
I love it.
We need one. Hey,
That's how the Gemini could
I
look
know,
if we buffed it
inspiration
up.
for the Gemini, what do you reckon? Give it a buff, it'll look just the same.
So our good friends Jason and Kathleen brought their EF here.
Yeah.
So this is a EF Fairmont gear, and it has a side mount charger on it.
Yep.
It's a pretty old school kit. I'm pretty sure he searched pretty hard to try and find this kit, and this thing makes some good power.
Yeah.
It's got, I'm pretty sure it's running a J3 chip tuned by Jason. It's got extractors, it's got a cam, valve springs and stuff like that, side mount charger, and it's a clean car.
But you know what I love about this car? It's so unsuspecting, like you would never guess
Yeah.
that it's
It is very unsuspecting. It's got the AJR wheels, and these wheels are hard to get.
Yeah.
So, you know, the guys at Tiperformance aren't just people that sell parts, they are car lovers as well.
Yeah, they are E-Series fanatics and
Yeah,
Ford
they
fanatics.
love their E-Series.
Yeah.
We were talking about Fords all night.
This thing is next level.
Richard from Designed and Built, he's done an amazing job on this car, and I was absolutely in awe of it yesterday.
Yeah.
For the first car he's ever built, it's awesome.
Yeah, I just love the fact like the Barrow is also like fits in there really well, but the technology that he's put in there, like the wireless charger.
Yeah, he's everything has been thoughtfully thought out, and it's just a great end product, and it's a tough rig.
Yeah, it looks good. So that was MotorEx 2022 for us. All in all, we loved it. Crazy. We were buggered. Still recovering, I think. I still haven't slept.
It's just the car industry in one giant location. And it is an incredible show. You've got cars from street cars that roll off the street. They come in early in the morning and show off their cars. And then you've got like top 60 cars that are on stands with mirrors underneath. And then you've got cars like ours that are leaving oil leaks on nice polished concrete floors. Sorry for the cleaner guy watching us drive away.
Yeah, I realised when we moved to like cars, I'm like, you knew it here because every single car left an oil leak, except for the LSQ.
But it is all in all an amazing event, and everyone that went down there over the weekend would have noticed how great of an event it was.
There was just something happening the whole weekend, like both days. We were stuffed. By the end of the day, not only just talking to people and stuff like that, but just walking around the whole event, taking it all in. There was just something happening everywhere you looked. So if you're wondering what this beautiful tool chest right here has been, while we've been sitting here talking, this is actually our giveaway.
Yes, so Burson Auto Parts has been very kind to us and given us a nice, beautiful chicane tool chest full of tools to give away.
Can I just stress, full of tools. Not empty tool chest, full of tools.
And it's a good set.
It's a really good set.
We've got a 1/2 inch, 3/8 and quarter drive set. So it's got obviously all your sockets up there, and then these drawers are full of other things like I didn't even know that.
I didn't know that. That's a really cool set.
Okay, it comes with your pliers, side cutters, needle nose pliers. It comes with a hammer. It comes with Allen key sets, screwdrivers, and more bits. And then it comes with spanners and ratchet spanners.
Yeah, it's a good set, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's actually got like kind of a mix of everything. And you know what I really like is this lockable middle drawer.
The big deep one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this could be your specialty tool drawer.
Yeah.
Because you can lock it. And then all the bottom ones are just empty, but they have a chicane like rubber pad under it.
So this is an awesome bit of kit. Like we said, kindly donated by Burson Garage for us to give away at MotorEx. For anyone that came by the stand, you're able to enter the competition.
Yes.
And we should probably draw out who won this thing.
Yeah.
Let's do it. So thank you to everybody who came by and put their details in this little box here. We had a fair few entries actually. I don't know how many that would be, but there's a fair few there, which is awesome.
I think we may need a bigger box to shake them up because they're not going to shake up too well in that.
We got a bigger box?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the draw. Alright, and the winner is of this amazing toolbox, Damien Foster, otherwise known as Panic 3 Litre. Congratulations mate, you are the winner of this incredible tool chest. Hope you put it to good use mate, hope you enjoy it. These tools we've been using in fit, not this kit, this isn't a second-hand kit, this is a brand new kit, but we've been using these tools in our kit for a little while now and we're wrapped in them. They're really good quality tools. You'll be stoked on them, mate. We didn't even lose the 10 mil.
Yeah, it's still there.
10 mil still here. So congratulations, mate. We'll get in touch with you and figure out when we can get this thing to you.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy it, mate. Thank you for everyone that came by and went into the runnings to win this thing.
Yeah.
As well as
chatted to us.
Made use of all the merch that we were giving away as well too. So a massive thank you to our sponsors for all the merch that they supplied for us to give away on the stand as freebies, because everybody loves freebies. Massive thank you to Tiperformance, Raceworks, and of course Burson Garage for supplying this toolbox for us to give away. If you could head over to the website Burson Garage and sign up, it will go a really long way to helping us because they help us. So by you helping them, it goes a really long way to keeping the show up and running.
And also head into your local Burson store and you can buy this chicane stuff.
Yeah. We need to say a massive thank you also to MotorEx themselves for inviting us along and giving us the opportunity to showcase our cars and put up a stand and give us an opportunity to talk to everyone, have a chat, meet people, meet other YouTubers as well too. Lots of people that have a lot of knowledge. So now that that's done, that was probably our last big event for the year.
Yes.
Like we promised in last week's episode, we will now be back in the shed, getting stuff done like we used to do.
Yes, old school hack shop.
Old school hack shop coming back, starting with that.
Yeah.
Anyway, until we catch you in the next episode, whatever that may be, we actually have no plan on what we're starting next, whether it's rust, brakes,
we know we're painting stuff.
All we know is we're going to be doing something on then, so until then, we'll see you in the next episode. You just went those 4 blokes. Oh wow, that's gold. That's clever, I like that. What's it gonna do? Really stings the nostrils. Dude, it's my throat tonight. It's got a bit of spice to it. If that doesn't sum up drift culture in Victoria, I don't know what does. We're gonna need a bigger boat. Nathan has literally just emptied the garbage box all over the floor that I just spent hours cleaning up the other day. Okay.
Hey, wait, hours cleaning up.
I haven't done the bench yet. The bench is still yet to be done.